Did you know that at any given time, only 3% of the market is in active buying mood? This is important information if you want to effortlessly attract high paying clients on autopilot. Because once you understand that branding is a long term strategy and it's about warming up your audience to build trust so that when they're ready to buy, you're right there waiting to take their order, then selling becomes less stressful, your marketing becomes more effective, and you're no longer panicking about not making your revenue goals. Hi, my name is Victoria Dekumaya, and on this channel, I share tips on how to own your brand, 10x your revenue and impact. But before we go on, why don't you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when next I drop a video? All right, let's go. Think about it. The reason we don't like selling is most likely from our prior experiences with salespeople. They just seem to be desperate to sell and they won't take no for an answer. So just like you can spot it, people can tell when you're desperate to sell. You begin to sound salesy and you're more concerned about making the sale than actually the value that your product or services provide to your clients. So today, in order to avoid desperation selling, I'm going to break down how understanding buying psychology helps you not to worry about not selling, but completely change your content and branding strategy so you know when the sale is coming and you're prepared to take that order. Now, if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button and share this video with one person you know will find this beneficial. First things first, I want to clarify that not everyone is ready to buy now. I mean, you need to get that in your head and be okay with that. Because, but you also have to be prepared for when they are ready to buy. Because seriously, this applies to even our ideal clients. Because it's kind of like dating, right? Because, when you meet, the man of your dreams or the woman of your dreams, that doesn't mean that they're ready to marry you tomorrow. I think that's going to be weird. That's actually weird. I mean, in some cases, but you know what I mean, right? So let's break down how to take your audience through the journey of complete unawareness of who you are if they want to what you're selling to I want it and I'm excited to work with you. Stage 1, total unawareness. About 60% of the people are in this stage, and at this stage they are unconscious of what the pattern or their conditions are. Think of it this way. It's kind of like they have this condition but the symptoms are dormant. It's in their system and it's undetectable to the trained eye. They don't know that they need your services, so life goes on as usual. There's no problem here. At this stage, they're probably just scrolling casually on social media. There's nothing really what's going on out there, what's happening in the world. That's usually their concern. It's like, oh, at the end of the day, we just want to take a break and get on social media. They're not necessarily looking for something to buy because they don't know there's a problem, right? Stage 2, at this stage, there's symptom awareness, and about 20% of people fall into this category. They know they're experiencing some kind of symptom. They haven't quite correlated to the symptom to like an underlying cause at all. It's like they're beginning to feel some kind of pain, but they're not quite sure what's causing the pain. But you are the expert. As the expert, you know that unless they get to the root cause of this problem, the symptoms would persist. Stage 3, problem aware. I say about 17% fall into this category. This is where they're starting to put two and two together and they're seeing how symptoms correlate to the outcome or the problem. They're like, this symptom is actually causing this problem. So at this stage, they are like Googling, they're like Instagramming, asking people, having conversation. They're trying to find out more information about what the problem is and, how they correlate and, how they are making, what's going on exactly. Then stage 4, the action awareness stage. I mean, this is the 3%, the only land. This is where people become solution aware. They're in active decision making mode. They know that the symptom is what is causing the problem and they need to fix it right now. They're actively seeking for a solution. This is when people go, okay, I need to work with an expert. I need to make some changes. Like who specializes in this problem and who can help me bring solution to this problem? This is when they are ready to buy and you should also be ready to sell. Here's the thing. It's kind of like farming. Unless you've seeded and you're watered, nurtured your crop, you can't expect to have a good harvest. So during stage 1 to 3, your focus should be about creating brand awareness. Your goals should be about connecting with your audience, educating and engaging with them. At this stage, your goal is to be helping your audience build trust in your brand, provide information that would help them. You want to deliver to them micro wins or tool, help them to build that, the concept of know, like, and trust. Your content strategy should include behind the scenes during the stage, stage 1 to 3. You want to provide information about what you do, the problems that you solve. You want to share testimonials from other clients. You want to include videos and photos and good graphics. You also want to be entertaining, provide value and be engaging. Even if they don't know that they have a problem yet, that's okay. Because the thing is that when they start seeing the symptoms and they begin to connect the dots, guess what? You come to mind. They start seeking you out. They're starting to go to your website, your Instagram page, your Facebook page, because they see you as the expert. So I hope that all of this makes sense and I've helped you to be able to see how you can apply that customer buying psychology to your business so that when they're ready to buy, you're in the position to sell. And you've positioned yourself as the go-to person to provide the solution. Because that's, my friend, is you owning your brand. All right. I am based in Indiana and I help small business owners create photos and video content to build premium brand and attract high paying clients. I do have clients from all over the country. So if you're interested in learning more about how I can help you create content on autopilot, then be sure to subscribe to my channel and visit my website to learn more information about my Boss Ladies campaign. Also, don't forget to comment and share this video. Thank you.